right. Hey, what's up? Hope every single one buddy's doing very well. For me, it's been extremely busy. So, I'm here at the BP gas station here in Gibsonia, Route 8, PA. Just left the other car wash locations around the corner from this location, which is the car wash location, one of the couple of locations. I mean, I don't know how many there are, but there's a few of them. Few locations, in certain areas. But, and then, so where it has a LaserWash 360 Plus with original onboard LaserWash G5 with the original laser dry sound, which is my favorite. Which recently at Greentree, PA, the LaserWash, it just replaced. That one just got replaced very recently, which I was holding on to with the owner to a brand new LaserWash 360 Plus. I'm hoping it'll have the original onboard dryer sound. If it's the max here, the PQ Tandem has that one, has that original onboard dryer sound. We pull forward. But in this situation, I kept my family updated. That just to keep their car in parking, so I can hear the sound. And so I'm just here at the destruction area because I just had to go to Roxford, PA, to find brand new dermatologist location at Forefront, because the one I go to in Belfast Harbor with Dr. Sarah Campbell is moving on to West Virginia Medicine and dermatology surgery. Which she's going to become a dermatologist on surgery doctor. Which is mostly where the people, patients, clients have skin infection wounds. Wounds mean just mostly on their bodies with the skin or infections. And she's the nicest dermatology surgeon. So where she'll do surgery and stuff. So there's gonna be a discovered. They are interviewing some other brand new ones, but in a situation like this, some of the patients like me they're transferring to new locations. So what's interesting was her very best friend, who works with a big company. Forefront has a couple other locations, dermatology. So what's interesting was her very nice co-worker friend. She told her all about me, what's going on with my situation. So what's interesting is that her friend, who is her co-worker, best friend, a company at the front, which is the location at Waxford, PA, and kept me updated that there's her dermatologist licensed friend named Kristen Steven, who I never met, will become my new dermatologist. And Dr. Sarah Campbell will see me one last time on February 11, 2022, in the morning, which is on Friday. So I'm not here for that. I'm here for that. Then afterwards I checked on North Park Car Wash, where they has 2 automatic bays now with another bill and with that one bay was a soft survey. Now it's a second touch on May. And then I just did this one, the LaserWash G5 with original onboard dryer sound. So, and then I will check out this location, which is this one has the Ryko SoftGloss XS2 with green brushes. Just mostly from right. Well, so just checking to see how it is. So far, it appears to be one of the exit doors, the entrance doors is open so far, but this car wash does kind of have some maintained situation problems. And then it's cold, it's snowing. But it did. I tried calling the owner a few weeks ago. Almost a year ago, where to keep him out there with the machine. But the situation is just pretty decent. It has no screen foam by brushes. Anyway, it's kind of it looks good, but the undercarriage is powerful. But it does have some issues though. But I already did this one not long ago. So here's got all this brushes materials on the floor. But so far. But in this situation today, I just don't really want to eat today, because this one has a cold box. There was no R7B or Voyager or anything here so far, but this one's, I don't know if it had the front wash arms with not the film on it, but just mostly the SoftGloss XS1 before the Ryko SoftGloss XS2 took over. Anyway, well, it looks good though. I mean, these vacuums are good though. They're rare though. There's some other locations though. And I mean, I'm gonna show you the exit really quick. Then I gotta kind of head towards the display direction, because there's also Snorkel with the Ryko SoftGloss Max 5, where just replaced the villager tunnel. But I don't know. I mean, I already did it. I mean, did that one not long ago. So I'm gonna. There's a car wash. Well, there is a BP car wash that has. Used to have one, but now it's storage. So I'll check that one, see how it is. Anyway, so just checking out on this location, and since I have a busy day, and plus my family just got back from their veterinary business meeting, which is, so they have 2 more coming up, and then to make out, because we year 2021 and year 2020 COVID situation. All right, so that being said, I have to get going, and they had to take care of some stuff up here. And plus, my very nice friend Katie Johnson is also up here, but busy. All right, so that being said, very decent shape, but it's really good though. But cold one. And for case this car wash discovers something, I'm gonna be doing an update, and then with surprising news. And from now on, I mean, whenever with my mom for her veterinary job as a family member, I will be going to the other location where it has the original Onboard LaserWash G5 with the original Onboard dryer zone, since it's rare for the original Onboard dryer zone, better than the Max Air, in my opinion. All right, till next time.